Let's look at how your team would estimate how much work they can complete within a Scrum project. Scrum projects start by calculating the velocity of the team. Velocity is one of the key metrics used in Scrum. It measures the quantity of work your team can complete in a single sprint and is typically a value given in story points, where user stories are estimated in story points. Tracking your team's velocity and analysing your findings can help you during release planning activities. Knowing your team's velocity allows you to assign yourselves the appropriate amount of work for each sprint. Measuring your team's velocity can also help reveal any problems in your team. If you're working with a newly formed team, tracking your velocity over the course of a project can indicate how well your team are working together. It can also highlight any problems your team has with their work. For example, if your team's velocity goes down, you may need to look at your processes and communication framework to see if anything is holding your team back. The biggest goal of your team on any project is to produce as much value as possible. So using velocity to measure how much value your team produces in each sprint provides you with very important information. Estimating velocity facilitates the delivery of value. Now that we've established why measuring velocity is so important, let's look at how we do it. There are several different velocity estimation methods we'll look at, including historical values, running sprints and forecasting. After you have a grasp on how each method works, you'll be able to decide which method will work best for your team.